So one of the problems that I face sometimes is when you're driving the car at night and you want to look at something in this vicinity. It gets pretty dark in the Wrangler. So I bought myself this 8-inch motion sensor light, which I'm going to try to put right here. I've already went ahead and cleaned it with an alcohol wipe. So I'm going to try to install this. It is magnetic, so let's give it a shot. So this is what I got. The motion sensor cabinet light is a 2-pack from Amazon, and this does the trick. So made sure this is the magnetic piece. I'm going to go ahead and remove the backing, and I want to make sure that the on and off buttons are right here and the sensors right here, closer to the driver. And then I want to also make sure that, and you can always pull it out, so it's not a problem for the USB-C thing. So let's give this a shot. Make sure we've got this aligned just about right here. Alright, so they are in place. Let's give this a shot. So turn this on, put this on. So I guess when it figures out it's dark enough, it'll probably light up, but hey, I don't want to do that. Let's say, right, and there we go. So if it's dark, it doesn't matter. I can go ahead and look around and I can turn it off if I want to. Again, it's not really the most graceful of solutions, but at least it is a solution. So, and since they are magnetic, you could essentially put them anywhere you want. I mean, I could put it right here at the door. And since I got 2 of these, what I have done is placed one right here, again at in the trunk, or if I want to, I can put it on right here, and I've got light to shine.